Alrighty, Fridays. So this is way out. Your first deadline is not until October 9th, but I wanted you to have it available. And so I put it out there. So I'm going to keep posting it weekly and to let you know that your final is out there. And I've already posted it for you, and you've got lots that you can think about. So you have an experiment that you can start thinking about and conducting. And your very first deadline is October 9th, and you need to submit a lengthy approval. And you have to think about what you want to do. You can design your own, or there are several that are kind of pre-thought out for you, but you still have to submit those for approval. You can work on it on your own, or you can work on it with a partner from class. And we do have Tuesdays at the school. You can also work on things virtually. And I want you to think about that. So it's here. I'm going to be doing checks all along. The first is that IRB, which is your approval form. Do not wait till the last minute till October 9th to turn that in, especially if you're designing your own or if you're working with a partner, because I might reject it. And that would be tragic, and you don't want to lose 15 of those points. Yes, it's 100 points. I do everything out of 100 points. However, this is worth 5 times a regular test. All right, so take a look at it. Let me know if you have any questions about it. Take a little read. I just thought I would throw it out there in September. This is a little more how they do things in college. Maybe not with even all the checks there, but there you go. Beginning of your final is out there where you're looking at and even starting.